Open a Nedbank My Goals and Just Save account. Register on netbankcup.co.za to stand a chance of winning money, 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 money. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Marumo Galan 0. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm joined by Mr. Versace A-Ross. It's proud to hover. Proud to hover.
Congratulations to Orlando Pirates, the biggest team in the continent of Africa.
Bigger than cheese.
Don't tell me about Google FC. It's good top 4 Africa. It's because of you spoken about Google FC. I think I'm here doing the interview and I'm going today to watch the game. I think the thing that Google FC can do for us today, the favor, is just to lose against Mamelodi Sundowns. They just have to lose the game so that the world can be in peace, so that we can have peace. Remember, Steve, it's a catch-up game. It's a catch-up. I'm not sure whether they say they have a lot of trophies more than us, more than wins than us. So they just have to lose so that we have to catch up to them.
Yes.
So it's fair. If Orlando Pirates can win the Nedbank Cup, it's going to be fine. If Sundowns can win, it's going to be fine. But not Kaizer Chiefs. Not Google FC.
Why not Chiefs?
Aluta continua, the struggle must continue, the drought must continue to Kaizer Chiefs. They must up until we draw level with them in terms of trophies. Maybe they will start to win, but not now. I'm sure 90 something, or I don't know good bananga. So we have to catch up.
Yes.
Coming back to the game.
Sure.
Like Steve, I'm very happy. Did you see the Spanish guitar with Winsin?
Wednesday.
Ufake abantu lewethi mabangajwayela ukuthi bayangena. Maybe bathi noma room izile. Ayongisho bashaye 2-0 last time sise Bloom. Bashela ngathi maybe bayasazi. uRivero because it's a mastermind. Afika ayenza izinto ezenzakale. Afaka amaplayer ukuthi bangabacabangelanga ukuthi bangangena. Ngiyangithola. So the game plan worked. Nebabheka ukuthi maybe umfuku ngiyocala, babheka ukuthi maybe uCR7 uMabasi uyocala. Babheka ukuthi umbatha and everything. Bonke nabangaphandle aqala ngescheme ukuthi nathi vele besingacabanga ukuthi angene. I'm very impressed ngale awuthi bathi goalkeeper yethu lo uButhelezi.
Yebo. Mr. Clean Sheet.
It's a showstopper. Bona that guy it's a mastermind. But everything the way I analyze ngakhona amabholo ukuthi he was the last defender after Umbogazi. Ukuthi mayindlula beyithola yena ibhola yangithola. So everything went well today. I'm very proud of the boys. And then one last thing ngingamoshi isikhathi ukuthi amajita angene. Mapakashushu. Ngicela ukuthi next week Friday I think siyodlala ku-CAF. It's Friday ne. Ngicela ukuthi istadium sigcwale madoda. Ngicela ukuthi sibophe because siyodlala nePyramid. And then I told ukuthi mina according to my analysis the ngibheka khona Pyramid yiyo the team engathi mina ngiyayisaba. Don't tell me about Sundowns, don't tell me about Al Ahly. So kusela igama lapho ku Al Ahly akusana next ngiyangithola. So I want ukuthi the boys baze ba prepared and ngiyabathemba. Today khona manje people will cry. Mangena mangizala kuwela ngibona ini out le course iliphethe ibhodo liphilona out yamozala. Bona di manu ukuthi ubhaleni.
Final Kaizer Chiefs vs Orlando Pirates.
This guy uyaphupha. My brother. Wake up. Ulele mini man. Wake up. Ngicela manje nimthele ngabe mina uright mara. Uright.
Ngimbuze avezi chest yakho Khosi. Make sure yabona mangathatha lento ngizokwazi ukuthi awuvukile. Ngakuvusa nje yami.
Vusa lo muntu.
Ngakuvusa nje yami.
Vukile sipho. Awuvukile lo muntu khona.
Ngikuvusa nami. Ngakuvusa.
Vuka wena.
Vuka. Awuvukile bafethu.
Awuvukile sipho. So vukile sipho. Ngiyayifana sipho yabona. Ithi ngivala. Ngayo. Baka shushu. ujabulile yabona nje ithi ivalo yabona so awutham it's nice to dream but I don't think ukuthi today we are going to win. And another thing, Nabi is gone.
Nabi is gone?
Yeah, today umsebenzi kaNabi uyaphela. The only way ukuthi Nabi angahlala is ukuthi asha iSundowns. Mara if it's not so, Nabi uyahamba. Today is the final day for Nabi. Nabi is going.
Yeah?
So it's total final.
Uyashaya.
Sayishaya Sundowns.
And then Pirates uzoyishaya ku final.
Obvious.
Oh, obvious.
Sayishaya Sundowns Nedbank sithathile.
Senithathile.
The final vele le seloftas.
Ngiyathola.
Win Sundowns iyayithatha Nedbank.
I-final ile eloftas manje.
Sure.
Mayiwin ikhosi la seyiwinile.
We need Sundowns yawina, we need.
Sha.
Mina, I can allow you to dream. I can allow you to dream. It's fine to dream. But ngiyazi ukuthi mawuzovuka yabona khona manje mawuqeda ukumaleng ngisho uyovuka bokuthela ngamanzi uvuke awuthamba yabona
Asengimbusile.
yangithola Kaizer Chiefs will never win anything up until I say so. Kaizer Chiefs is going to lose toten yangithola uthamba. So man of the match ngipha I have 3 players mina uButhelezi ngipha uPasika Marco ngipha no bathi bani uButhelezi uPasika Marco ngipha no Dlamini yabona yiyo amaphela ukuthi namuhla angidlalele kahle ayenze ukuthi yonke into ibe easy for thina ngithola Rivero I'm still playing my guy. I have replied to your emails. Everything that you want I'll make sure ukuthi uyayithola. Please stay my guy. We know we love you.
Bekele goal la Pirates ke 20,000.
Mebela enarjajo ya uthiaka
20,000
bekele narjajo naruta mana tejo re happy always
yeah
once and always
Pirates